This two-story prefab container home is a smart, modern solution for anyone looking to live comfortably in a compact space. Built with a solid galvanized steel frame and insulated sandwich panels, the house is designed to be durable, weather-resistant, and easy to assemble. Measuring 232 inches deep, 250 inches wide, and 98 inches high, it offers generous living space while maintaining a small footprint, perfect for tight plots or remote locations. The home features a detachable and expandable design, allowing it to be set up quickly and relocated with ease. Whether placed in an urban neighborhood, a rural setting, or off-grid terrain, it adapts well to different environments. Inside, the layout includes a full bathroom with a toilet, shower, and ventilation system, along with a modern kitchenette equipped with a sink and countertop. Electrical wiring and insulation are pre-installed, so the house is ready for immediate use. Customization is a major highlight. You can personalize everything from the flooring and windows to the terrace, roof, and doors. The number of rooms is also flexible, anywhere from 1 to 6, making it suitable for individuals, couples, or families. Color options include white, black, yellow, gray, or a custom finish to match personal style or surroundings. This house works well as a permanent residence, vacation cabin, rental unit, or even a home office. Its sturdy steel frame ensures safety with fire protection rated at Class A, wind resistance up to level 11, and earthquake resistance up to level 9. During snowy weather, it's important to clear the roof regularly to prevent buildup. With its quick setup, flexible layout, and wide range of uses, from housing and dormitories to shops and kiosks, this prefab container home offers a practical and stylish way to live or work in any location. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.